forever. Why are you mad?
Because I don't want to play fairies. I want to play a thing that I really love.
Well, what do you love?
I love superheroes and race cars and planes and turtles.
And your sisters always want to play fairies?
Yes, and I don't like that.
What do they say to you when you don't want to play fairies?
They want to play fairies, but I don't want to play.
What does Sophie say?
Sophie says I'm a hobo.
She called you a hobo?
Yes.
What did you say to her?
You are a stinky.
You called her stinky? Why?
But Sophie wasn't stinky.
Hey, we don't call each other names though, right?
Okay.
Okay, what are you going to do now? Are you going to still be grumpy at them?
No.
You going to go play with them?
Yes.
What are you going to play?
Princess.
You're going to play princess? Who are you going to be?
The prince.
The prince again?
Yes.
You're a good brother. You always be nice to those sisters. Do you like living with all these girls?
Yes.
Why?
Because I really want to.
Why? Because they make you what? What do your sisters always make you?
Brownies.
Brownies. They take good care of you, don't they?
Yes.
And they give you smooches.
Yes.
Do you like their kisses?
Yes.
You do?
No.
Why not?
Because I want to get mama kisses.
Just mama kisses, right?
Yes.
All right. So we'll stop being grumpy, okay?
Okay.